Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study basic select statement in database. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on subscribe button here and click on bell icon so that you will notified as soon as we upload any video. So open SQL, tap SQL Plus in search bar and click on SQL Plus application here. Enter the username here and enter the password. You are logged into the database. The first query which we are going to fire here is to get all different tables from HR user which we have just logged in through it. How we can do that? Select table name from user table. Who is the user here? HR is the user here. So what we are going to do here, we are selecting table names, just the name of the tables. From where? From user table. From this user, from this HR user, we are going to display all different tables from him. So we get the list of the tables in HR user. Now we are going to select star everything, all columns from jobs table. Select star from where we want to get the information, from jobs table, and semicolon in the end and hit enter. So here we get all information from jobs table. So now when we are going to retrieve data column wise, it's called as projection. For example, if we want to get the information from job ID and minimum salary or any other column, so that is called as projection. How we can write the query? Select and then the column name which we are going to get information from, we need to write that name. Job ID, and what is the next column which we want to get information from it? Min salary. Select these two columns, jobs ID and min salary, from where? From jobs table, and semicolon in the end. We didn't get data from all different columns from that jobs table. We got only jobs ID and minimum salary. This type of selection is called projection. Now we are going back to our jobs table, and this time we want to get information row wise. For example, if we would like to get information where minimum salary is higher than 10,000, so we'll get only those rows where salary is higher than 10,000. How we can write the query? Select star. We want all the information from that row. Select star from jobs table, where? So here we need to write a condition where min salary is greater than 10,000 and semicolon in the end and hit enter. Now we get the information where the salary is higher than 10,000. So here we can see that the sale manager's salary is 10,000, exact 10,000. How we can include sale manager also here? So we need to write equal to sign here and hit enter. The sale manager will be included here. So here we reached the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.